Did you know that many lab accidents have happened in schools across Malaysia? These incidents show how science experiments can be dangerous without proper safety tools. So, we ask ourselves, is it possible to create something that could help to prevent accidents like this? That's why we created the Pmeb, the Portable Multitasking Experiment Box. Our objective is very simple: to provide safe, portable, and smart mini laboratory that allows experiments to be conducted in anytime, anywhere, without compromising safety.
Wireless mini vacuum. The wireless mini vacuum is used to pull air through the carbon filter, which helps remove toxic gases, smoke, and alcohol from the air inside the Pmeb, keeping the environment clean and safe.
LED lamp. The LED lamps provide bright, focused lighting to ensure clear visibility during experiments, making it easier to observe details and work safely inside the Pmeb. Temperature and humidity sensor. The temperature and humidity sensors monitors the heat and moisture levels inside the Pmeb. It helps ensure the environment stays within safe and suitable conditions for sensitive experiments.
Asbestos paper. Asbestos paper is used as a heat-resistant layer to prevent the spread of flame or heat, adding extra protection during high-temperature experiment.
Alarm. The alarm in the Pmeb acts as a safety alert system. It automatically activates if harmful gases or unusual heat are detected, warning users to take immediate actions.
Lightweight. The Pmeb is designed to be lightweight and easy to carry, allowing teacher and student to move it quickly between classroom or learning space without hassle. Portable design. With its portable design, the Pmeb allows experiments to be conducted anywhere, not just in the lab. It is perfect for hall, classroom, field, and canteen.
Two-hand access holder. The Pmeb includes two-hand access holders that allow users to handle experiments safely.
Electrical devices connected to projector. A mobile phone can be connected to projector, allowing entire class to clearly observe experiment in real time. Perfect for teachings and demonstration.
MQ2 gas sensor. The MQ2 gas sensor is used to detect the presence of harmful gases such as smoke, alcohol, and other toxic fumes. It acts as an early warning system, helping to ensure a safe environment for users during experiment.
The MQ2 sensor will instantly detect the flammable gas and trigger the alarm, this giving you an early warning before anything dangerous happens. For education, it makes learning more interactive, practical, and inclusive. Even schools without full lab facility can now conduct experiments.
Projector collection features is very helpful and can show the demonstration and experiment to the whole class at once. Great job!
In the future, we hope to improve Pmeb by integrating smart technology such as real-time data monitoring and mobile application.
Our vision is to make Pmeb accessible to more schools, so every student can experience safe and meaningful science learning.
Pmeb is more than just a book. It is a step towards safer education, smarter innovation, and a better future. Because with Pmeb, science is no longer limited. It comes alive anywhere.